Hi guys, I'm back again with another video and we're going to play, you guessed it, we're going to play Garten of Banban. And so we're going to play Garten of Banban again. Oh wait, we're going to play Garten of Banban, but this is actually the real mobile game. So I saw the trailer and it finally came out on iOS. So now we could be able to play it like the real game. So, so if you've seen the other video, we played Garten of Banban in Roblox. It was so accurate, it actually freaked me out. Like if you could see in the video, so check that out. So we're gonna play the real Garten of Banban and then see how this is like between the Roblox one actually. Okay, so it has the same pictures. For a parent looking for their missing child, time is a delicate matter. Pick the clock to our best time. Yeah, I can't see it, so I gotta skip it. Sorry. Okay, so now we're gonna start. Oh. Oh, whoa. Okay. For now, it looks not that bad. Wait, so I cannot look up and down? Oh, wait, I could. Okay. The sensitivity is so weird. Like, you have to, like, hold and then swipe around. Controls, okay. Yeah, the key card is normally here. Okay, so you got one blue key card. Oh. Okay. So we open this door. Okay. Now we're in our drone part. Now we're gonna grab the remote. We all know from the Roblox one. The remote requires 2 batteries. Yep, we know that already. But I can't wait for chapter 2 for this to come out. That would be so awesome. Okay, so we got the 2 batteries. There's our drone. Our movable posing drone. Just kidding. Okay, so this drone is not as half bad as the one in Roblox. Whoa, this actually has a real sound. Okay. Okay, so now these controls are new. So now I know. Okay, so the one with the arrow pointing to the left, that's how you move the drone around. But I don't know which one it is, like with the forward right button. Oh, this just teleports your plane. Oh, okay. So, can you go there? Thank you. Okay. Hey, it's Ophelia bird. Or Ophelia bird. Hey, Ophelia bird. Hey, come back. We all know you from Roblox. You know what? The Roblox is exactly the same, like, so far. Okay, so we know this part. We know where all the eggs are because of the Roblox one, not to brag. Okay. The second egg. I believe the third egg was up here. Yeah. Now our fourth egg. I think the fifth egg was at the benches. Let's go. Oh yeah, it's right there. Okay, now we need one more. Which is normally at the slide, but hey, where is it? There's a button. Maybe I have to press that. There you are. Can you press that for me? That didn't work. Okay. How do you do this? I mean, in the Roblox one, you just pick it up from the slide. Is it in this area? Oh, look. What does that do? It turned on the button? Oh, I get it now. So you turn that on from like right there, and then you press that button because I think there's like something barricaded somewhere inside the slides. So that means when you press this button, the egg will come out of there. Oh, yeah, that was never in the Roblox one. Okay, that's new. Can you do that? Let's see if it comes out. Oh yeah, it did. Oh, okay. So now we know. Okay. Let's go feed Ophelia bird. Ophelia bird's mission. Feed Ophelia bird. Ophelia bird is unbelievably hungry. Feed it 6 eggs to get your prize. Oh whoa, the egg goes down more faster. Hey, look, there it is. Our prize. And yes, it's a yellow key card for Robux. Just kidding. Okay, claim your reward at the mouth. We already did. Thank you very much. Now we know what to do here. We had to call our drone. Okay, thank you for being here. You turn this on. Then you gotta break through the glass. Can you do that? What the? Okay, then can you hit the button and break the glass? Okay, good job. Oh, okay, but there's all this glass block. Oh wait, it's disappearing. Okay, that's weird. Anyway. Yeah, but it opens this. We get a hammer. Look, there's a note. Distraction 81. What? Okay. I don't know what that's about. Maybe it's a note from Ophelia bird. Okay. Not bad. Oh yeah. I forgot. You gotta press here. Ophelia bird says, laughter is the best medicine, so make sure to smile. Yeah, but maybe you guys are not going to be smiling after this game. Hopefully we don't fall and die, because that's what happened that's what happens when you play Roblox. Like, you could just easily fall and then you die and then you fall into the abyss. Oh, that's Ophelia bird's feet over there. I didn't know that was there. Okay, so, oh wait, there's a note. Okay. Yeah, so we all know their colors from the Roblox, obviously. And for the poster at the lobby. What does this say? I alone want to play with the whole, but the bird, but everyone left me. Everyone had party without me. Miss Mason, see me go. I am scared because whole is loud and my friends scream in it, but bird is funny. Okay, that is creepy. Okay, so you are white. I think she's in chapter 2. Okay, let's do Stinger Flynn. He is orange. I know his name because it's on the poster near the vending machines. Oh, okay. You, Captain Fiddles, because I saw on the poster. And Ophelia bird, we definitely know you because you're pink. It's just a whole thing. Okay, and then you're green. This is Jumbo Josh. He wants us to eat broccolis. Oh, thank goodness. Okay. Oh! Okay. So she's coming. Oh my gosh, she's so close. Okay, I need to call my drone. Actually, this is scarier than the Roblox one, actually. I need to, hit this button. Can you hit that? What? No, no. Hit the button. Hit the button. She's just right there. Oh my god. Run! Oh my god. I gotta die. I gotta admit. I gotta die. No, I fell Well, that's the end of that. T. I never seen this. Press interact to be reincarnated. Oh. Oh, okay. That's new. I never seen that. Oh. What? Oh. Okay. That is creepy. Oh my gosh, she's scary. Like, why does she exist? That is so not fair. Yes. Okay, run, 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 run. Where's she? Oh my god. Yes, I killed her. Oh, thank goodness. Okay, we just killed her. Bro, but she was way creepier than the Roblox one. Can you open this? Okay, so I know what to do here. You go in here and then you push that out of the way. You press this and then you call your dog. Oh yeah, here. Can you hit that for me, please? Thank you. Okay, then you look back and then you would see this, so you press this. Whoa. It just took away the... I don't know how it does that. That's just magic. Jeez, but it looks like it's super deep down there. Everything about... Oh look, there's a... What did I just do? Yeah, what's in the note? What does the note say? Name you've been out of... Bro, this already expired like, I don't know, many years ago. This was in 2016? Jeez. This expired years ago. Jeez, you're not gonna get your flight. If you ever use this, you're definitely gonna get kicked out. Okay. Plus, that's not even me. Okay, drone is coming along. Wait, you're not coming. Oh, goodbye, drone. I'll miss you. I'll never forget about you. Oh! Oh, Jumbo Josh, I forgot. Drone, help me. Oh my gosh. Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, she's scary! No, no, no! Do not drop it! Ah! Huh? Oh, I just died. Or did I? Did I? If they're making a chapter 2, then I wouldn't die. Bruh, that was good. Thanks for playing. Follow us on our social medias. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna end the video here. This was really scarier than the Roblox one, so you should try this. Okay, bye.